Hey guys, it's Holly, the Twister Sister. If you're new here, I turned my passion and hobby of balloon twisting into a successful business, and now I'm helping other people do the same thing with their hobbies. And every week I like to do a free balloon animal tutorial. And this week, you guys, we are doing Mardi Gras because it's coming up. March 5th is Mardi Gras this year. And I have a major announcement, you guys. Oh my goodness, my very first party pack for balloon twisters just dropped yesterday. What is a party pack for balloon twisters? I'm sure you offer party packages to your clients if you're a working balloon artist, but what's a party pack for you? Let me tell you. This is a download that has clip art designs for an entire menu full of themed designs to go with the Mardi Gras or Carnival theme. So not only do you get all of the individual clip art files, you get print ready menus. I'm talking about all laid out and ready for you to just hit print on your printer at home. And there's also included poster sizes that you can send off to Walgreens or CVS or wherever you like to get stuff printed. They're already sized and laid out for you. You can just load them up and hit print and go run to your store. I got this done at Walgreens this morning. It cost $12.50, and this is a 16 by 20 size poster board. $12, you guys, and they had it done the same day, like an hour after I submitted it. Super fast, really nice, thick, sturdy stuff. You can use this at every event, all season long. Just make sure when you print it, before you buy it, like I know at Walgreens, they always have specials going on their print stuff, so look around their website for their deals. I got 50% off on this, made it $12.50. There's also individual tutorial videos for every single design on these menus included in the party pack. So if you don't know how to make something on here, there's a tutorial included for you. There's a PDF that will provide links and take you right to each tutorial for each one of these designs. I'm so excited about this, and I can't wait to do more party packs for other themes that you guys have a lot, especially all the holidays and then popular themes that people get asked a lot for parties. So this week's Tutorial Tuesday, we're gonna do one of the tutorial videos that's included in the party pack so you guys can kind of see. And if you want to see the rest of them, there's a link in the description where you can go purchase the entire party pack, get all your clip art files and everything so you're ready to work Mardi Gras, Carnival, festival themed line work events. So I hope this is super helpful for you. Enjoy this video straight from the party pack, and I will see you guys next week for another free balloon animal tutorial right here, same time, same place for Tutorial Tuesday. Bye for now. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the drama stick, which is basically the fun theater masks, and these sort of pop up a lot when you're looking at Mardi Gras themed symbols and images. These are sort of a big part of what you see. So I love this design because somebody asked me for this a long time ago, and I was like, that's weird. Never gonna be able to come up with something for that. And then I did, just recently. So whoever asked me for this, here you go. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with 3 balloons. I've got my Mardi Gras colors, and I've inflated each balloon to have about a 2-inch tail. We're gonna do a 6-petal flower base. I'm gonna do the David Brennan technique on this one since they're all tied together. So to do that, we're gonna start off with just one of our colors. We're gonna fold it over to make a loop. We're gonna do a second loop. We've got 2 loops. And now on the additional loops, I'm gonna fold them over, twist them, and then wrap that tail around the loops. Same thing again, fold it over, twist, wrap the tail in around, and then get your 3rd color. We're gonna do the same thing, fold it over, wrap the remaining balloon up around it, fold it over, wrap it around. Thanks, found cord. Okay, once you've got 6 loops made, then you can arrange them so you've got alternating colors. Just move them around, grab them, pull them, manhandle them, however you need to do to get them to be nice, pretty alternating colors. Okay, now the remainder of this is going to be the stick part of this, or the wand. So since there's 3, I like to braid it. You could get rid of one color and spiral it if you like that better, but I wanted to give you a braided option. So I'm going to take all 3 balloons, and if you're not familiar with braiding, you're just basically putting one in the middle, and then another one in the middle from this side, and then going on this side, putting that one in the middle. Going on this side, putting that one in the middle. Going on this side, putting that one in the middle. You're basically going back and forth from side to side, alternating, putting those balloons in the middle of our 3. You're getting a nice little braid all the way down. And with these chrome balloons, it's just stunning, really. So there we've got a really long drama stick. And then to do the masks on top, you're going to need 2 5-inch rounds, and I fully inflated these, maybe even a little overinflated them. You can choose your colors. I've chosen to go with gray and white. Black and white's popular, or you could do something more along with the colors of your theme. But I'm just going to take each one and we're going to attach it down into our 6-petal flower using the nozzle to wrap it in there. Okay, so you should end up with both of your 5-inch rounds on top of your 6-petal flower, and then you've got your braided stick coming out the bottom. I went ahead and cut mine off to make it a little short because it was pretty long and I don't really want it to be that long. So I just did pinch twist on each balloon to end it and cut off the tails. So now that is it for the twisting part. The rest of this is just drawing the faces. You're gonna do a happy face and a sad face on either balloon. I love using the Sharpie brush tip markers for this because it should be nice big faces to fill up the space on your balloon, and filling in those, like the mouth and stuff, can take a while if you're just using a regular Sharpie. So let's see, the gray is gonna be my sad face. So I'm gonna do 2 U's for the eyes, and then we're gonna do an upside down U for a big, big sad face, like that. And then opposite on this side, for the happy face, we're gonna do 2 smaller upside down U's, and then a big U for a big happy face. There you go. Now you can leave your faces like that, or if you really want to make it a little bit cooler looking, you could fill in the mouths and the eyes, make them a little bit thicker, thicken up those lines and stuff. So let me show you what that would look like. So you can see the difference on like this versus that. I think it looks more like the masks that it's supposed to look like if you fill in those lines and thicken them up a little bit. Okay, so now we've got happy and sad masks. So that's it for the drama stick. Now, if you do have like somebody that wants this to be a headband, so super simple since it's on a 6-petal flower. Just don't do the base. And you could put this on a headband as well. And so that would be a nice, cute little headband for people to wear and walk around your event. All right, so that was the drama sticks. We've got one more video left in this series I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna head on over there and get her done.